print drawing. Which drawing you need to print? You have to select the drawing, single part, assembly, GA, which drawing you have to print. You have to select the drawing. Select the drawing, right click, go to here, print. Then go to here, line properties, make it here, which line you need to make more dark, that one make it bigger thickness, other all the thing keep as it is. 2, which one you need it bigger, make it 4, other all the thing make it 2, that is more than enough. The red one I just make it here 3. Then go to the option and here it is, just keep as it is everything, no need to make any changes. Fit paper, then here it is A3, this is single part drawing, so just make it here A3. Then go to the print. Now the drawing is printed, you can see the drawing. Double click this drawing, you can see the PDF drawing. Similar way you can create drawing, create print another drawings also. Just close this one, go to GA, you can select the GA drawing, right click and go to the print, and here it is, you have to make changes paper size. Ours it is A1, which is your paper size, you have to make it here. Then if you go to the print, within few seconds this drawing will print. Now here it is printed the document A3. Double click this drawing, you can see the drawing. This is 3D view what we created the drawing. So this is the way you can create print in Tecla structure.